Access Forum for Actors is a first-rate musical theater class. It's a place for people to work on their musical theater audition material, whether it's material you bring with you, your own sheet music, or whether it's perhaps material from a callback that you've been given by the production and you want to come here and have a coaching on that material. We have created this. We've been running 5.5 years now. We created this to make sure there would be access on 2 different levels. The first level is for the performers. So this class, if you were to take it commercially, would cost you probably $600 for a series of maybe 4 sessions. I have been paid literally thousands of dollars to go out to some of the major university training programs in musical theater and to teach musical theater auditioning and to work with students on their material. We're all in show business. We all know what it's like to sometimes not have that accessible. So what we've created here is a very low-cost, efficient, safe space for actors to come and bring their musical theater audition material and to work on it in an environment where you can feel safe and supported to take risks and to try things. It's been very successful. So many of our people are now working. We have a core group of about 120 people, and most of those right now are out working at jobs because they've come here and they've worked their material, and then when they get in the audition room, they are more fully prepared and ready to do it. We have a combination of Broadway professionals, beginners, recent graduates of musical theater training programs who need a place to come and to try things out or are looking for a home base in New York City to continue to grow and evolve in the work that they're doing. We have dancers come here who are interested in upping their game in the vocal portion of their auditions and really working on their songs and getting to a place where as a wonderful dancer you can get cast as a dancer who sings. We've got all kinds of people who come here and work together. Every level is welcome. So we've done that to make it affordable and to make it possible for you to have access to this kind of work with a first-rate casting director and a first-rate music director to really look at your material and see what can happen with it. The other aspect of access is that the work we do here and the money that we raise goes directly to the work of MCC New York. MCC New York gives us the space. We work here, and every fee that is collected for the class goes directly into the accounts of MCC. The music director and I donate our time every week so that all of the money raised can go to the programs of MCC New York. Those include, among other things, one of the largest food pantries for the homeless in all of New York City. MCC is providing bagged groceries and bagged lunches for people practically every day, and also one of the only LGBTQ plus safe shelters for homeless kids. 4 out of 10 homeless kids, I believe that's the statistic, are LGBTQ plus. Basically, some parent or family essentially threw them away and left them to the streets of New York. Now, if you think about it, a good portion of these kids are trans, and it's not safe for them to go to a regular shelter like Covenant House because, frankly, they'll get beat up there. So they need a safe space to have a roof over their heads and a bed to sleep in. And MCC New York is one of only 3 LGBTQ plus safe shelters in New York City. And our work here supports their work in that. And what's so great about it is everybody wins. I mean, the actors get access to first-class coaching and working on their material and training, and homeless people get to eat. They get food and shelter. And at both ends of the spectrum, people have access to something much needed and wonderful. We are in our 5th year, and I hope you'll join us. I hope you'll come check us out.